Hi, so as we get close to the end of the year, we are going to talk about the real estate market compared to last year. First of all, I can't believe here we are at the end of the year almost for 2021. But I want to talk about the home list price and sale price and where we've been at for 2020 versus 2021. We've all talked about how the market has improved, and I thought this graph might make it a little simpler for you to see kind of where we're at and where I think, we're going. So as you can see, January of 2020 versus January of 2021, we've talked about prices being up 10 to 20%. This number on a chart just shows you that even easier to look at. Always goes up and down a little bit as the seasons, because our market is, of course, very seasonal and really changes a lot, excuse me, based on school time, not necessarily weather time. As you can see, summer is always a little bit lower. And then in the fall here, things have picked up again, and we're seeing that average prices continue to be up. And I think we've just kind of reached a new stable normal, that this is going to be just kind of our new normal level. But let's talk about the more important thing, and that is the sale prices, because not only are what they're listed for important, but what they're actually selling for is very important. So you talk about, again, where we started in 2020 and where we started in 2021, and that seasonal up and down. And you can see here, as 2021 has continued to go through, we've just seen prices go up and up and up. We've only briefly met the level at 2020, and then we've continued to go up. And now we're kind of back leveling off here. We went up a little bit higher in the late summer, early fall, and now we seem to kind of just reached a new level normal. And again, that's kind of why I feel like this is really kind of our new normal, that maybe this is where we've plateaued. This is where we're going to see things just kind of level out for a little while. So I don't see these prices declining quickly at any time, because our inventory, and we're going to talk about here, our days on market is still so low and so critically low. So our days on market in 2020 were much higher all year long. And that just goes to show you here with 2021 that we are down to just barely over a month's time frame. You're looking at 30 to 40 days in the time from listing price to closing. So from that listing time to closing, and you think about, most buyers need to get a loan. You're a couple of weeks just for an appraisal. So typically you're 30 days before we can do anything anyway. So, and then, like I said, sometimes you're closer to that 40 to 45 days. So again, I think this really, just kind of talks about that this is going to be our new normal. This is where the market is, and this is where it's going to remain for a little while. Inventory is right at 2 months of inventory currently, but with only 2 months of inventory, again, that is still a seller's market, still very low inventory, and we'll really see kind of where things go in the spring. Typically, it picks up January, February, March, and so we'll see where we're at after the holidays and after the first of the year. I hope you had a blessed Thanksgiving. I wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Wishing all of you the best and staying healthy, and I hope everyone's doing well. And if you have questions on this, you can call, you can message me, you can send me a private message, you can comment below, or you can also call or text 815-275-6610. Thank you and have a great day.